Welcome back to the North Gate. Let's see who shows up this time. We have our normal contractor. And another load of stone. Seems like there's always loads of stone going up and down. And the contractor going down, you just barely caught him. And the truck going down. And coming back up, the contractor. This is all the same day. And we're not done yet. Here he came back down. Oh, maybe we are done this time. Okay, different contractor. Don't know this one. 1605 and 1624 coming back down. Less than 20 minutes. Our normal contractor coming in. Oh, this is the longer day, I bet. There he goes up. And there's a load of gravel. Truck coming down. And truck going back up again. And back down. There goes the contractor. A property owner is right behind him, or not too far behind, and locks the gate. And then we have another contractor. I think this is an electrician. And then I don't recognize these two trucks. Look familiar, but not totally. And then we have our contractor in a different truck with a trailer. And here he comes down with his Mini X. On 326, this is Sunday. So there's two other property owners that came down, and one of them did not lock it correctly. And we got a porcupine going up the road in the middle of the day. Yeah, they don't move very fast. Just waddling up the road. And he just keeps a going. And this was like a contractor truck. 1604. 1605 he gets through the gate. 1606. And 1638 they come back down. And he has her lock it up, and he starts driving off. Oh. Alrighty, off to the south gate. We got the contractor who came in the north gate, going out the south gate. And a dirt bike going around the gate. 5:21 p.m., 3:28. 6:10 p.m. he's going out. I think he saw one of the trucks coming in on the other side. And that's all we got this time. Got to figure out how to get this dirt bike not to go through. That's all we got. Thanks for watching. See ya later, guys.